Again, and just a little shim, not like on your face like this one. Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually, like the day that you're watching this, I'm literally filming this video at 20 to 5. So if it's a little bit past 6 when this goes up, that is the reason why. But today I have a really exciting one. I did do the Count on Me advent calendar unboxing on my channel, so I'll leave that link down below if you want to go check it out. And a lot of you were saying, can you do the other one? So as soon as it became available on the website, I picked it up. So this is the Makeup Obsessions Don't Count Me Out advent calendar. It's on Boots and it's on Revolution. I've just had a look there because I was thinking, I'm pretty sure when I looked there were different prices. And I remember talking about it in Alex's Patreon group. And I was thinking, I'm sure it was quite a big difference. So on the Revolution website, this retails for £30. On the Boots website, it retails for £50. So you're paying an extra £20 just to get it in the 3 for 2. So do bear that in mind if you are wanting to pick this up, because £20 is such a huge difference. The Count Me Out one is £10 more expensive on Boots as well, but this one is £20 more expensive. I just think it's absolutely ridiculous. So this is just obviously what the outside cart looks like, and then I've looked inside already, just from me taking that off. This is what the box looks like. I think this is really cute, and obviously you could reuse this as well. And then inside, all of the products are in like little individual boxes. It reminds me of the like the classic Revolution gift sets that they do every year. I remember buying my mum one a year or two ago. So it has like all the different little boxes inside. So I don't know why I thought it was an advent calendar, but it's not. It's like a gift set. So the first one that we have is the Illuminating Setting Spray. So this is just what it looks like, and this is like obviously a full-size product, 100ml. I don't think I've ever tried. This is good for me because I've never tried anything really from Makeup Obsession. So I do have obviously the advent calendar, the Count on Me one, but I've never tried. Oh my god, it smells lovely. I've never tried their makeup really, so anything that's in here is going to be brand new for me to try out. Then we have a liquid eyeshadow duo. So there was some of these liquid eyeshadows in the Count on Me advent calendar as well. Oh, that's a different shade though, and that one's a different shade. So we have kind of like a duochrome purpley pink one. It just says pink on the bottom of it, and it just looks like this. And then we also have silver, which just looks like this. I am doing, by the way, if you saw on my community tab, I've completely like redone my bedroom. So obviously this is kind of a bit of a new-ish background. It's like still got a little bit of my old background in, but a bit new as well. So please let me know what you think down below, because I want to know if it's a good setup. And I'm using a different lens to my normal one, so I think it won't be as perfect quality as the other one, but it gives you a bit more in the camera, if that makes sense. A bit more of a wider lens than my other one. So please let me know, because I'd love to know. I'd love to know if this looks better or what. I just want to know. I am debating buying a new lens that is like a fixed lens, which is why I'm testing out this one. But anyways, then we have an illuminating primer. I absolutely love the packaging of this, by the way. This again is a full size. I think everything, if I remember rightly, I'm sure everything is full size, even the brushes as well. So if you did like the look of the advent calendar, but you thought there was a couple of things that you weren't really that bothered about, I'd pick up this one instead. So this is just obviously the illuminating primer, so it just looks like this if it likes to focus. It'd be really nice to see if that's anything like MAC strobe cream as well. Then we have a brush set. If you watched the advent calendar video, I mean the brushes were nice, but they just didn't really, they were like small ones. They didn't really wow me, because I know for a fact as soon as I put them into here, they're going to be lost down here and I'm never ever going to use them. So I did put some of them into my giveaway as well. So I'll leave my giveaway link down below as always, and at the end of the video, because there is some of the advent calendar stuff in that giveaway. If I can spit my words out. I can't get these ones out. Here we go. But what I like about these ones are they are full size, and the purple as well, so they match my channel. So they're full size eyeshadow brushes, which just look like this, and they're actually ones that I would use as well, so I can put them in my collection. If you are wondering, by the way, what lipstick I have on, because I always forget to write it down, I've put it to one side so that I remember to tell you. It is the Boy Bye lip liner from Doll mixed with the Golden Girl lipstick from Doll and like literally the tiniest little bit of this pixie gloss. This is the Lip Lift Max in Sweet Nectar, literally the tiniest little bit. It's probably more so the lipstick that's giving it a bit of a shine, but yeah, just in case I forget, because I always forget. Then we've got a brow gel. I have a feeling there's a brow gel in the advent calendar as well, but obviously this one is a full size one. I think this is definitely worth the money, even just from like what we've opened so far. We haven't even got to the good stuff yet. So this is just a clear brow gel. I'm pretty sure there was a mini one of this in the advent calendar. I am actually going to be doing, I think I'm going to be doing a giveaway with the advent calendar as well, so don't forget to hit subscribe. It's going to be a bonus video coming. Anyways, let's move on to the top end of this, which has the eyeshadow palettes in. So we'll start with the Bougie Shadow Palette. Ooh, so this is what the Bougie one looks like. So it says it comes with 9 shadows in. Why has that one got a little star next to it? I wonder if it's, yeah, pressed pigment. Ooh, oh my god, it's all shimmers. It's a full shimmer palette. So it just looks like this. Oh my god, that is actually beautiful. I'm so excited. So that's the first eyeshadow palette. I'm going to pop that there. Then we have the Glossy Vibes shadow palette. So this is what the Glossy Vibes one looks like. Ooh, and this one has a couple, like literally 2 mattes, and the rest again is shimmers. But you could, with the mattes that are in here, you could make a eyeshadow look. But yeah, a lot of them are shimmers in this one. But this middle purple one and this one up here, that Shine and Sleek AF, they're definitely matte ones, so you could make like a purple look with this. If there's any certain palettes in here, by the way, that you want me to do like sit down like one palette tutorial with, let me know, because I can definitely do that. Then we have the Hot and Bothered blush palette. Oh, if you want me to do a full face of makeup obsession, I think I'm basically there. I just need to buy like a foundation and maybe concealer and stuff from them. But this is what the Hot and Bothered blush palette looks like. Ooh, okay, I was not expecting that on the inside. So it has got a blush in it, but it's also got 2 bronzes and a highlighter as well. These look beautiful. So this is just what it looks like. You could also use, because that is, oh my god, it's like foily. I don't know, I think that would be maybe a bit too dark for me as a highlighter. Oh my god, yeah, definitely. Definitely too dark as a highlighter. But I could definitely use that. Why do I keep saying definitely? I could use that as an eyeshadow as well. Wow. Let's see what this blush is like. Oh, that's so soft. Wow. If you're wondering what blush I've got on today, actually, I've just tried my Doll Beauty one out for the first time. I'm going to have a full, I bought the PR box, so I'm going to have a full unboxing coming soon. I'm going to film it tonight after I've got this video up. But that's what that blush looks like. Really, really, really soft. And I like the fact that they have put a highlighter in there that is a bit darker, so that it obviously suits like other skin tones as well. Then we have a lip gloss trio, but mine seems to be like lost in the actual packaging. Let's have a little look. I like the fact that within one box it's not just one thing, if that makes sense. Like you got 2 of the liquid eyeshadows, you got like 3 brushes, I can't even spell words out, and obviously now 3 of the lip glosses as well. So I feel like sometimes it is a little bit of a cop out. Not gonna lie, sometimes it is a bit of a cop out. Just putting the one little thing in it. Oh my god, I can't get it out. So it's actually quite a range of colours for these lip glosses. It's not like a just all nude or all darks or all brights. So the first one I think is probably going to be the most universal for everybody, is a really, really nice kind of white shimmer. Like a clear shimmer. I don't even know if that's going to come up on camera. I think it is a little bit. So that's that one. I don't think it's got a name. No, I don't think so. Then we also have a more kind of peachier one, which again would go with, probably go nice actually with the lip that I've got on today. And then the last one is a darker one. To be honest with you, I wouldn't ever really reach for this kind of lip gloss. If I was going to use wear a dark lip, it'd be very rare that I would wear a lip gloss with it. So I think I might put this one into my giveaway box, which there's going to be a full video showing you what's inside my giveaway box coming within Vlogtober, so just bear with because I've got many a video to film. Next one is, I was going to say it feels really, really light, but the next one is a scrunchie set. I feel like this is just perfect for Alex. So we have a black scrunchie, a pink scrunchie, and if I can get it out, a white one. They actually don't feel too bad quality, to be fair. Don't feel too tight, so they won't be too tight on my hair. Yeah, scrunchie's a scrunchie, isn't it? There's not really much more that you can say to it. Then we have a big box that says highlighter, but it doesn't feel like a highlighter palette. I think it's a solo one, yeah. So it just looks like this. It just says highlighter illuminator. It actually looks very similar to one of the ones that was in the advent calendars. But it came in a mini one. You didn't really get many full size. I don't know if you got anything. I can't remember for the advent calendar, but if it is the same, I'll have a little look, then I'll put the full size one into my giveaway pile because I've already swatched the little one. And then last but not least, we have the Shimmer Vibes Shadow Palette. I do feel like there's a lot of shimmers in this box. So this is what the Shimmer Vibes one looks like. Again, and oh, that's not a shimmer one. That's like the wrong name for it. This is me in a palette. Oh my god, it just goes so nice with the lip that I've got on now. It's literally got 2 shimmers in it. Why is that called Shimmer Vibes? Like, if anything, Bougie should have been called Shimmer Vibes because it's all shimmers. And then this one should have been called Bougie. But this is what this one looks like, and it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So it just looks like this. So literally all of them are matte, apart from this one looks like one of them foiled, yeah, one of them foiled shimmers. Ooh. And then this one looks like more of like just a light shimmer, just a little shim, not like on your face like this one, not like on your face like this one. This one makes me really excited, and I feel like with this one you could probably pair it up with some of the shimmers that are in the other palettes as well. So yeah, I like that one a lot. It just screams like pumpkins and like Halloween and autumn vibes and everything. Love it. Wrong name for it, but I love it. So that is literally everything that came in this gift set that for some reason I thought was an advent calendar. I do have another one of their gift sets that I'm going to do like a literal, like a tiny video on just to unbox it. But yeah, let me know what you think. Do you think it's worth the price? I mean, it's only £30, but you get so much for £30 as well. And if you get on Boots, it's like £20 more expensive. So make sure you go on Revolution and try and get like a discount code, use student discount, get some money off as well. Yeah, it's definitely worth picking up. I'd recommend this one more than the like the actual advent calendar. I feel like the advent calendar has quite a lot of mini stuff in it, whereas this has like basically your full face sorted apart from like your foundation and concealer and that kind of stuff as well. So yeah, let me know what you think. Yeah, thank you so much, and please let me know again what you think about this background setup and everything like that, because it really helps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you for a brand new video tomorrow, if not in 2 days time for Vlogtober. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.